Night sailing just got a whole lot brighter. Meet the Delma Oceanmaster Lume, a professional sailing instrument that doesn't just survive the sea, it owns the night. Today, we're taking a closer look at how this independent Swiss brand has turned Full-Lume design into a true nautical tool. Delma isn't a newcomer trying to fake the tool watch vibe. This family-run brand has been crafting tough sports watches in Lengnau since 1924. The Oceanmaster line, introduced in 2017, is the brand's sailor's companion, complete with a nautical bezel, tactical planner, and points-of-sail markings. Now the Oceanmaster Lume builds on that legacy with a fresh twist. A fully luminous dial, 4 bold color options, and a 500-meter depth rating that's no joke. At 44 millimeters, it's a big watch, but it wears with purpose. The cushion-shaped case mixes satin brushing and polished bevels, giving it that tool watch charm with a refined edge. The nautical bezel, not a dive timer, carries a 360-degree compass scale. It's built for sailors to plan ley lines and assess wind angles, but even if you never step on a yacht, it's a conversation starter. Add a helium valve, an exhibition caseback, and you've got rugged engineering wrapped in Swiss finesse. By day, the dial is playful, soft pastel tones in blue, green, orange, or yellow. But when the lights go out, this thing comes alive. The entire dial glows in color-tuned superluminova, while the hands and indices shine in contrasting hues, making legibility effortless even after hours of darkness. The red seconds hand adds just the right touch of visibility without distraction. Perfect for night sailing. Inside beats the reliable Sellita SW 200-1 automatic, a tried and tested movement that's smooth, serviceable, and perfect for a life at sea. The bracelet mirrors the case with brushed outers and polished centers, comfortable, solid, and secure with a double-push clasp. At around $1,650, the Oceanmaster Lume offers real Swiss engineering, 500 meters of confidence, and nighttime legibility few can match. If you sail, dive, or just love a watch with purpose and personality, this one's a bright choice, literally. So, what do you think of the new Delma Oceanmaster Lume? Would you wear a Full-Lume watch like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on watch reviews. Until next time, keep your course true and your lume bright.